Hello and welcome back. This series is going to be done once a week. We are going to be doing shout outs for our top contributors, the people who comment and share our vlogs. These are not in any specific order, and yes, I have wrote them down so I don't forget. These are randomly selected and in no choice except for the first one, and that's going to be HDBroadcaster. All of the links to these channels will be in the description below. HDBroadcaster was the one who got us started doing this. He has some phenomenal content on his channel and just a basic variety of stuff. He has become a very close friend of ours. We talk to him at least weekly. We text all the time. Just a great man, full circle. Please check his channel out. The next is going to be Minion Moto. Is a new and up-and-coming channel. Great man that we've spoke to. He has also sent a bunch of subscribers our way, and we are very thankful of that. He too has a variety of content on his channel. Please check him out. He has got, for a new channel, he has some really good content so far. The next one is going to be Sab Crazy 13. He is a very close friend of ours also. He does comment and share, is dedicated to the people that are dedicated to him. He too has some very good content, a variety of content. He also vlogs with his wife, which is a major plus for me.
Her name is Lucky Bear 57.
Lucky Bear 57. She likes to ride also, so her and I click that. And for that, we're going to end this vlog here.
One more thing, and we're almost to the 500 subscriber mark, so please, we've thought hard of what we can give away. We don't have a lot of funds to give away a lot of stuff, but this is from our heart. So I mean, if a lot of y'all know, if y'all been watching our channel for a while, I am going to give this sign away to someone who comments and likes our video, and maybe when we get to when we got to get our 500 subscribers. So please leave. And we're going to be choosing from the names of the people who comment on this video. So
comment below.
So leave us a comment so we know which names to choose from. And we thank you, and
don't forget, the ones we just shouted out today, the links to their channels will be below in the description. Thank you for watching.